I'd rather fail horribly than not knowing or not even have tried.
Pop is everything. I think it's the greatest.
There's no set of boundaries in pop music.
You try all these methods and some work, some don't work, and it's really overwhelming. Rotterdam is really a good place to be.
I like that Rotterdam has a very young music scene, which is approachable for young artists.
You focus on your skills and really diving into what makes you sound like a real professional.
But there's also a lot of focus on being creative, making music, and performing live.